Hey, let me show you how you can fix that issue when you are connected with your Sony WH-1000XM6 headphones, but there's like no microphone and no sound. So how you can fix that issue? So first of all, just start by opening sound settings on your PC. So we have to just simply go into the system settings and move into the sound settings. First of all, you have to make sure that for the output, we select our headphones instead of the built-in speakers or other speakers, external, for example. So make sure that as an output device, you select your headphones. And also the same for the microphone. As you can see, for some reason, the microphone, in my case, it's set for my camera. So I have to manually select my headphones, the WH-1000XM6. If you don't have this window, you have to make sure that you actually expand this by clicking on this arrow. And it looks the same for that output. Then you have to also make sure that you turn on volume of your headphones. So if it is like this, then you don't hear anything. That's quite obvious. But the same for your microphone. Just be sure that you turn on volume of your microphone and the headphones of XM6. And now, if none of this is working, I will recommend you to go for the volume mixer, which is located here, and make sure that for the output device also it's selected your headphones. Sometimes when you open some applications, like if I'm gonna open right now this Opera browser, it should actually pop up right here under the apps screen, as you can see. So let's say that it's Discord or Skype or anything else, then you have to simply click on that arrow, expand, and select output device as your WH-1000XM6. Sometimes for some reason it's selecting different devices, so just make sure that you actually select your headphones. And that's basically it. If you still have some kind of the issue, you can simply try to update drivers of your device, or try to simply go into the Windows update and make sure that you are using the latest version. So right here, just make sure that you have the latest update for Windows 10 or 11. Thanks for watching.